I'm stressed.
Why are you stressed?
Because things are not happening how they're supposed to be. I'm gonna go.
Bye. This is the timeline of the day. We are about here. And we have all this too. And this is everything that we had to take shots of. It's gonna be a long day, but I'm excited.
I'm gonna do a little bit of a new shot. Hey. It's your boy.
Chris Graves.
On CG Creations. Any photos or videos done, hit me up. Erin, you better tag me in this. The stuff in the description.
I'll tag you too.
Don't tag her.
No? Don't tag her?
I need a 35 prime.
Stop it. It's a good sign since it's pouring rain today on their wedding day.
I decided. You were sure though that there was
I'm doing the show.
and just want to
Talking.
The show.
showrunner.
Mix rounds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright.
Just hanging there.
Thank you. We're just hiding away in the corner. Savannah's been making fun of me because I don't know how to work my own camera and she's been teaching me.
Okay, it's not my fault. You've had it for a year and you don't know how to use it. It's supposed to be on vlog.
Look who it is! Where have you been?
I've disappeared like 30 times.
You literally got a drink and drank that whole thing without us?
Yeah.
Damn.
What they say about big lenses.
What? The bride's coming. I'm like, pay attention.
Who you been waiting for?
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Feel my heart its song and let me sing forevermore.
Show me the good stuff.
The goods? That's the goods.
Let's see the kiss.
The kiss? Oh, the kiss?
Yeah, since I missed it.
I got a lot of photos, hold on. The kiss. The kiss. The kiss. The kiss. The kiss.
I got shut out at the ceremony, so I missed the whole thing, but it looked beautiful by the photos taken tonight. It was just magnificent.
It's so sad. It's so sad. I never heard a sad story. I got shut out.
I was too busy worrying about taking pictures of the bride walking in that they closed the doors, and I was like, oh shit, I'm not in there.
I don't even know my own camera.
Chris is being so good working. I've just become like a wedding crasher.
Shit.
So is she. Cheers.
Don't feel right. Let temptation take you over. 'Cause I know you really love it when the lights go wow, 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 wow. When the lights go wow, 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 wow. When the lights go wow. Lights go wow.
Oh, you're recording me out? I'm sorry, Chris. These photos are gonna be hella wonky.
I got her drunk on champagne.
Maybe extremely tipsy.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me know what spring is like on Jupiter.
Get your phone out of the shop.
The words hold my hands.
That one gets me every time.
Darling.